John Paul, and I'm going to give you tips about flash flooding.
John Paul, I have a question for you.
Yes.
I have actually a few questions. What is flash flooding?
A flash flood is a flood that happens in less than 6 hours after rainfall beginnings.
My next question is, where does flash flooding happen?
Flooding is a coast-to-coast threat to the United States and its territories nearly every day of the year. In other words, it can happen anywhere, though it is more likely to happen in areas near bodies of water, lakes, rivers, oceans, etc.
Okay, my next question is, what is a flash flood watch?
A flash flood watch is exactly what it sounds like. It's a watch for flash floods. When you're in a flash flood watch, you need to be prepared because you have a chance of having a flood.
What is a flash flood warning?
A flash flood warning is also exactly what it sounds like. It is a warning that a flash flood will happen. When you're in an area with a flash flood warning, you need to be indoors. You should also avoid driving so you don't get swept away by floodwaters.
How can I stay safe during a flash flood?
The best things to do while you're having a flash flood is to stay indoors and do your best to avoid driving. Also, in case of a power outage, have a flashlight, food, and water enough for about a day.
What should I do after a flash flood?
When floodwaters recede, the damage left behind can be devastating and present many dangers. Images of flood destruction show destroyed homes, buildings, and broken possessions and damaged roadways. However, what you can't see can be just as dangerous. Floodwaters often become contaminated with sewage of chemicals. Gas leaks and live power lines can be deadly, but are not obvious at first glance.
Thank you for answering those questions for me.
I'm John Paul, and we're watching the weather so you don't have to.